Y'all, is it just me, or is it like Sensational is just releasing the same unit again and again and again and changing the name of it? Because it's pretty, but it's a look but don't touch unit.
Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, plus you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Been taking it easy like poco a poco. Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. Today I'm coming to you guys with a new unit. This one is from the Sensational Butta Lace collection. I'm wearing it in the style Butta Unit 23 and the color number 2. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does come pre-plucked. It does have ear-to-ear lace, and it does have singular HD lace parting space. And this parting space, as listed on the stock card, is definitely wider parting. So let me just show you guys what the hairline looks like. And I did attempt to do the ear-to-ear, but honey, it's like every time I try a Butta Lace unit, it's like only one of the ears goes down. So as far as the cap size is concerned on this one, you guys, just like with a lot of these Butta Lace units, this cap size is small. I was able to kind of finesse it, but I feel like if your head is on the larger side, I would stray away from this. Honestly, for the most part, I just feel like the Butta Lace collection is not for people with larger size heads. My head is about 22 to 22.5 inches, and it just barely fits me. So I feel like if your head's any bigger than that, I would stray away from this one, and I would stray away from a lot of the units from the Butta Lace collection, because I feel like it's rare that they actually have bigger cap sizes, unfortunately. I feel like the hairline does look good on this one. The texture on this one is definitely really soft. I am definitely getting a good amount of snags with this one, you guys. I wouldn't say that it's silky. I wouldn't say that it's yucky. I would just say that it's soft. And if I had to pick one more leaning towards silky or yucky, I absolutely would say it's leaning more towards silky, but it's not necessarily silky. It's just soft.
entangly, if that makes any sense. I won't necessarily say the texture on this one is trash. The texture actually feels pretty good, and what I did to make these curls bounce back and get away from the frizz is I just went in with my Simply Stylin' silicone spray, and that definitely, as you can see, helped revive it back to kind of how it was. But just note, this one is going to get frizzy the more you run your fingers through it. This one is going to shed, this one is going to tangle. This absolutely is not going to be everyday friendly hair, honey, when I tell you it is absolutely not. It's pretty, but it's a look but don't touch unit. The length on this one, as y'all could see, I'm 5'3" for reference, and it does come about just to my boobs, so I feel like the length is definitely manageable. It's nothing too crazy. It's not super long, it's not short either. It's like right in the middle, so I definitely am here for the length. The density, this is all the hair to the front, and it feels like a good amount of hair in my head, but I do definitely have to tell you guys, I feel like it could use like an additional couple tracks in the actual cap. Like, the hair itself has good weight, and it's definitely on the medium density side. That's like 150% density, but like right here in this area, this vicinity right here, it's just something's not sitting right with me. You can't see it, I hope, but I just feel like it needs like a couple more tracks or something to go on in there, because I'm not feeling the most comfortable about filling the wefts or nothing like that. So I definitely was not here for that. Yeah, so let's just pop right into the cons and the pros of this unit. My number one con is going to be the cap size. I don't know what we're doing Sensational. I don't know why I keep giving you a chance. Like, I keep thinking they're going to step it up, and they step it back. Like, this cap size is way too small, honey. And then also another con that I'm gonna be is just probably the snags that I'm getting. If you're picking this up with the intention of just wearing it a couple times or whatever, then that probably won't bother you at all. But I'm just the snags and stuff that I'm getting, I'm just not really here for, and this is just coming off like it's gonna be a high maintenance unit, which I am never here for, honey. So let's just pop right into the pros of this unit. The pros are, like always with the Butta Lace collection, they came through with the hairline in the baby hairs. I didn't have to do too much work. This definitely was a throw on and go ish type unit. It didn't take me too long to style, get to lay the way that I wanted it to. Another pro that I have is just, I feel like the curl pattern is very pretty, but like I said, I feel like it's been done before. It just seems like they're revamping other units that they've already come out with and just changing the names. I kind of like how the stock card looks a little bit more than I do like it on me, even though I do like it on me. And I did have it without finger combing it out, and I don't think it was necessarily giving this exact vibe. It's close enough, I guess. I like when it got the curls that go all throughout. But feeling like I look like I'm wearing a helmet or something when it's just flat and then curls. So yeah, but I mean, as a whole, I feel like this unit is okay. Would I pick it up again? No. I feel like I would head on over to Outre and just pick up a unit around the same vibe of this one and get better bang for my buck. But that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.